welcome to your clase de español. Today we're doing nombres. Nombres are names. So to say I'm called Ruth is me llamo Ruth. Me llamo Ruth. Me llamo Earl. Me llamo Rumpelstiltskin. Lo que sea, which means whatever. Whatever it is. Lo que sea. Now, an easy way to ask back is me llamo Ruth. ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú means and you. There are a few words for you in Espanol. So if we're talking to just one person, there are dos opciones. Tú is the word for you when we're talking to somebody we're on first name terms with. And so then it would be ¿y tú? Me llamo Ruth, ¿y tú? And the other one is usted. That's for somebody that we would use Mr. or Mrs., Señor or Señora. Me llamo Señora Perez. Y usted. Y usted is and you in that case. Okay, so we've got that sorted. Now, if you have the Pasos textbook, you can look at Página 2 and read through and listen to actividades 1 y 2. And you can practice this lenguaje en tu casa. Puedes practicar. So you can say, hola, me llamo Hair Bubble. ¿Y tú? Me llamo Pencil. Okay? ¿Y tú? Me llamo Transcript Booklet. So you can practicar en casa. Tell me, me llamo means I'm called. So could you put your name in the comments box? Two last things to tell you. When you say hola, be careful, cuidado. Don't say the H. The H is silent. And when you say me llamo, don't pronounce the double L as a y, as a L is a y sound in Espanol. So double L makes a y sound, like Marbella. Okay, so be careful with those two things. Do like the video, do subscribe if you're beginning your curso de español with me, conmigo. And gracias for watching. Muchas gracias. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.